Hello, Minglaba. Welcome to my tutorial. In this lesson, I'm going to explain about introduction to Scratch. So Scratch is a free programming language and online community where you can create your own interactive story, game, and animation. On the other hand, we also know as block-based coding. So to open the Scratch, very easy, write down Scratch on your browser. And so you will see at here scratch.mit.edu. So I will click it. Here we go. This is the Scratch interface. And here you can see the tutorial. And by clicking play button, you can see the tutorial how to use it. If you don't want to see, just click to the close button. That's it. So and here, please look at to the left side. There's a code area, especially it's the block coding. So by using motion, you can use your sprite to move. Especially at here, the sprite. The sprite me is the computer graphic we use in Scratch coding. Yeah, this is this is sprite. Okay. You can also change the sprite at here. There's a lot of sprite. Yeah. So you can use and create. Okay. Even you can even you can upload your sprite and then you can paint. There's a too many way to put sprite. So at here there are stake. Especially we call backdrop. Backdrop is the background. It can be also called as layout of your background. So I will click this one. So there's a lot of layout, lot of background for you. You can choose it. For example, I will choose this one, jungle. Okay, so it will change your background to the jungle like that. Very easy, right? So let's look at to the left side. In the code area, there's a motion. Motion used to move your sprite, and look area used to describe how you look like. If we want to say something, if we want to change the looking of our sprite, we have to use look. And then sound used for making sound. And the event is once something happen, please do this. If not happen, please do this, like that. Is the event. Okay. We will learn deeper about this in next tutorial. Okay. So control is how you will control to this game, how you will control to this animation, like that. Okay. And then sensing is by using sensing we can guess the sense. For example, if we touch the mouse pointer, if we click the something, please do this for me, like that. Okay. And then operator is plus, minus, multiply, division, and greater than, less than, like that. Okay. So the next one is variable. Variable is also very important in this Scratch coding. Okay. Variable is a container to put something. Now you only need to know this because we will explain a little bit deeper in next lesson. Okay. So now for the moment, you only need to know variable is a container, is a box to describe something in your game. Okay. So we especially use in creating game animation, like that. So at here, my block is if you want to create a new block, you can make a block and then you can put it at here. Okay. And then the next tab is costume. Costume is used to edit your sprite interface. Okay. For example, if I want to change the color of the sprite, I can change it like that. And then at the tab or sound, we can use a lot of sound. For example, this is the sound of cat, like that. Okay, so we can delete this sound, and then we can put the new sound also at here. We can also make recording of our own song, and then we can upload our already recorded sound also, and even the downloaded sound, right? So and then we can choose a sound. Let's go. There's a lot of sound you can use freely. Okay, let's click to back. So there's a mainly sound costume. You can change the costume here, code. So especially we are only using with these three tab and these two area. So there are Sprite. Sprite is, I already explained, is the computer graphic used in Scratch programming, and backdrop is the layout or background of your graphic. Okay, your animation, your game. Okay, so for example, this is the coding area. So I will click this one, move 10 steps, and then look, say hello for 2 seconds, and then event, when something is happened, please do this like that. So when I click the green flag, please do move 10 steps, and then say hello for 2 seconds. Okay, and then we can also put place sound meow like that. Okay, so let's try. I will click to green flag. Okay, you can see it. This is the introduction or using Scratch. So hope you guys enjoy. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.